Hey everyone, let's talk about two things you should totally avoid when building smart contracts: msg.sender and tx.origin. They might seem like handy ways to check who's using your contract, but trust me, they are security traps waiting to spring. msg.sender tells you who sent the current request. Seems simple enough, right? But the sneaky hacker can totally fake this. They can use another program to make it look like someone else is sending the request. Think of it like someone wearing a really convincing mask. The X origin is supposed to be the ultimate safeguard. It shows who started the entire process. But even this can be bypassed. Hackers can use a chain of requests to hide their true identity. It's like a complicated game of digital hide and seek, and they are pros at it. Why is this a big deal? Imagine your contract lets people withdraw funds. If a hacker can fake their identity using either MSG sender or TX origin, they could clean out your contract. Not a good look. So what's the solution? Use safer methods to control access. Give only one specific person the power to make major changes. Give different people different levels of access. Require multiple people to agree before anything happens. Using these safer methods protects your contracts and your users' money. Avoid MSG sender and TX origin for access control. They are just too risky.